Hi guys, welcome to
Feed me good!
Today we'll be making Kashmiri Dum Biryani, of course the vegetarian version. This is a fusion of Kashmiri Dum Aloo and biryani, so stay tuned for an epic biryani experience. Now let's get started. Take 500 grams of peeled baby potatoes, water just enough to submerge the baby potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. Then with the help of a fork, we will start pricking holes in our potatoes and we will put the potatoes in the salted water. Repeat this process for all the potatoes. Then let the potatoes soak in the salted water for 30 minutes. To cook our rice, start boiling water in a vessel. Add 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, half a teaspoon of kevra essence, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we will let the water boil and then we will add 1 cup or 300 grams of basmati rice. We have washed and pre-soaked our rice for about 30 minutes. Now we will let the rice cook. Just before the rice is done, we will remove 1.5 cups of the water and keep it aside. We will boil the rice till it is about 75% cooked. That means it will have a certain amount of bite and won't mash completely. Now we will strain the rice to remove excess water and keep it aside. Next, in a pan we will heat some oil and add our pre-soaked and strained baby potatoes. We will fry our baby potatoes on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe. For the last 1 minute, make sure to increase the heat to high and then remove the baby potatoes. To the same hot oil, we will add 1.5 cups of thinly sliced onions. We will fry this till it turns golden brown and then remove it from the oil. Take 1 cup of curd in a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dried ginger powder, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. We will mix this all together and keep it aside. Now for getting our biryani together, take a deep thick bottomed vessel, add 1 tablespoon of oil, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 3/4 cup of finely chopped onions, and we will saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 3/4 cup of finely chopped tomatoes and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of biryani masala, and we will saute this for about 1 minute. Now it's time to add the curd mixture that we had made. Make sure the flame is set to low before you start adding your curd, or else the curd will start to separate. Now we will cook this on a low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of our fried onions. Give it a quick mix. Add 3/4 cup of our reserved water. and then we will add our fried baby potatoes. Coat the baby potatoes completely with our prepared masala. Then add 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of roughly shredded mint leaves, and stir it in. It is time to layer our cooked rice over our baby potato masala. Then add ghee on top. Sprinkle some of our reserved water. Add our fried onions, 1 tablespoon of shredded mint leaves, and 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped coriander leaves. Now take a live coal inside a small bowl and place it on the rice. Then add ghee on top of the coal. This is for a slight smoky taste. Now cover the vessel with a tight lid and seal any holes and the edges of the vessel with dough. If you are using a gas stove, place a tawa below the vessel and let it cook on the lowest flame for 25 minutes. Do not open the lid in between. After 25 minutes, remove the dough. Open the lid and remove the coal from the vessel. Our Kashmiri dum biryani is now ready. Look how beautiful and distinct the layers are. It smells absolutely heavenly, and the Kashmiri red chili adds a beautiful color to the biryani as well. Don't forget to leave a comment and share this with your family and friends. Serve our Kashmiri dum aloo biryani with any raita of your choice. It will taste just as amazing.